It's a new 2023 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. You need a truck that's as much of a workhorse as you are. This Tundra was built to meet life's toughest demands. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Twin-turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, steering assist cruise control, and automatic transmission. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.